Hi guys, Paul,
And Ryan.
PA Outdoors couple. Where are we in PA? Lake Erie. We're here. Look at that. What? No way. We're here at Lake View on the lake, northeast, Lake Erie,
On the lake. Look at
for
that.
somebody's special birthday. So, we're gonna take a little walk down. And a lot of wind today.
125 steps.
125 steps. We're gonna go see if we can see what we can see. And there's some shale down there I'd like to peek through just to see if we can see some fossils. We don't really know. We've had a lot of storms and stuff lately. The winds, the sea, she's angry today, my friend. But it's just a lake, so we'll see what we can find. So then, we'll see you. Here's the viewing area. Really pretty. And here's the stairs. We're going to be going down there. But this is our morning adventure here at Lake Erie. And we're going to go down to the woods. So we might find mushrooms. We might find this or that. We don't know.
It's very windy.
It is very windy, so we're not going to record a lot because you're probably just going to hear woo, 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 woo the whole time. But it is pretty. Lake Erie, 57 miles wide, deepest is 210 feet, average depth is 62 feet, I believe. 67 feet, something, 62 feet?
62.
Yeah. Really cool stuff. Look at that right in the middle there. I don't know if that's,
Green.
yeah, I don't know what, is that the sun hitting it or I don't know what. Yeah, indeed. We will get back to adventure. Here is the stairs. No cobwebs, so whoever came down here before us wasn't very tall.
Well, you're taller.
So we did see some mushrooms on the way up here. We were driving all the back country roads, having a good time, working on our scavenger hunts. We did see some jack-o'-lanterns. Speaking of jack-o'-lanterns, we stopped over at Lakewood, New York, and went over to Southern Tier. She had some pumpkin.
Oh, man. They're sturdy.
They are sturdy. They're very vertical,
Steve,
but they are
this set.
The steps are very tiny compared to my feet. So, side step. All right. Apparently, all these little creek washes are technically public access. So if you want to go get down to the lake to look for things, you can, which is great.
On the bottom.
Yeah.
Oh,
Something.
there's black stuff.
Yeah, I see that. I don't know what that is. There's a bunch of it. The black stuff that runs up and down that tree. Alright. Alright, getting closer. Saw a lot of deer. Even in the vineyards, there's a deer.
Oh, these steps are far apart.
Yeah, these.
Oh! I got it.
Alright. 125 steps down. And an escalator up.
Unverified.
Unverified. Ooh, here we going.
Ooh, smelly. Some water.
Whoosh. Wow. Oh, this is awesome. This is awesome.
Whoa.
This is awesome. We're gonna look and see in all this here. We're not allowed to chip, obviously, but still interested to look. I don't know what that circle is. Look around, but there's some cool rocks down here too. Yep.
That's right.
Ah, big old dead fish. 2 big old dead fish. They were saying something about that people have been noticing random dead fish. Remember we saw another one right over there. It was the same kind. And they were saying about like Lake Erie is a dead lake because they've been finding this. And obviously it's not a dead lake, but it's just some kind of quote they were saying. Yeah, we found some ex-wildlife. This is cool.
I had no idea it was just stony.
Yeah,
That's why it's so loud.
it is loud. Ooh. Yeah, seeing that hit is awesome. So sea glass will be down here too.
Yeah, we're not going down there.
Why not?
We'll go down there.
Okay. Yep. Striations or something in here. That's cool. This is all shale here, so should be interesting patterns in this. Whoa. Wow. This. So over here, in these parts of the rocks, so you're looking like Ordovician, Silurian stuff. This is a lot of older things, and the more you get to like New Jersey and stuff, you get a little bit more Devonian, and then it goes higher and higher and higher because of the glacial erosion. But this scenery kind of takes it all away from me right now. I got excited about fossils, came down here and goes, look at this. Wow. What a morning adventure. If we see anything else, we'll be back. Okay, we looked around for a while. We found these weird, strange, circular rock concretions and stuff.
It was here really fun.
It was fun.
As you can hear.
We found some rocks to tumble. I got her a rock tumbler for her birthday, so we found some pretty cool rocks to tumble. And it's just a really, really awesome place down here. This is the first adventure in the Lake Erie area, and hopefully we'll have more to show you later.
Bye.
Cheers.